Hey everybody, welcome back. We're gonna get to step one. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and remove the shift tower here. And let's see. Let's go ahead and get this out. This is the next step in the manual. Let's get a little pry bar. Just out of curiosity. Oh, there we go. I was gonna say let's pop it in neutral and let's take a look. I don't know why it doesn't look okay. Let me get out in the light here. Oh, sorry. It's got wear on the face, but the gouges aren't deep. That is beveled, but it looks like it's supposed to be beveled. This side looks the same. I mean, it's got discoloration from touching other metal, but it doesn't look like it's gouged. Okay, so the next step is it wants us to remove the countershaft plug using a seal pick. So this should be the countershaft plug. So let's see if we can use a pick and pick this out. Wow, I got a lame pick. I might have to get a different pick here. Yeah, hold on. All right, let's try this pick here. Well, I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. Maybe you got it going like that. It says with a seal pick. Wow, I just bent the tip of my seal pick. So let's see if we can get it with this. Really? Really? I'm bending my screwdriver. Well, it's obvious the seal pick won't do it and the screwdriver won't do it either. All right, let me figure this out. I'll be back in a minute. All right, here's what I ended up doing is the rubber came out of the center and then I took these and I kind of just wedged it in and I popped it out. A seal pick's not gonna get this. This is metal. This piece is metal. And yeah, seal pick, no. So do what I did because you can see the rubber center poke a hole in the rubber center, and then just use these and pry it out. And it popped right out. Well, okay, so I know that's kind of ghetto, but if you can seal pick this, you're a freaking animal. I'm just telling you. You're not seal picking that. It's metal. So there's that out. Then what it says to do is go in here and get this snap ring out. So I'm going to try to get this snap ring out. Oops, almost. Come on, baby. Jeez. I guess I just need some new tools. So I'm opening it and I'm trying to pull it up from the rear to come up even. And would you think it would work? Shit, no, it ain't gonna work. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay. Man, if this whole thing's gonna go like this is gonna suck. Okay, snap rings out. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so with an E-Torx, and this is an E-Torx number 12, split the housing. These aren't very tight. And then notice you got two long ones over here. Alright, so I'm going to run one bolt in so when I flip this over on its shaft, we're not going to fall apart. Okay. We can pull this out. You want to use 2x4s because on each end the shaft sticks out further than the edge. All right, let me make sure. Yeah, the shafts, they stick out like a ½ inch out past the plane of the flushness. So, FYI. All right, let me get these last two off. I don't know if I can even reach them, maybe. Of course not. I'm wondering if this thing has a gasket. Sometimes if the metal's clean, they just use a sealant. I don't know. I know my battery on my thing's gonna die. So if it dies, I don't know what to tell you. Once I get these bolts off, it says split the case. I hope the camera's good. Angle. Okay, we're solid. Yeah, make sure you keep a bolt in or you're gonna flip this over and you're gonna have a mess. All right, let me make sure we're aiming good. All right, it says split the case. No. Coming. Well, it came and then I dropped it back down. Whoop, 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 whoop. Linda. Oh boy. Wow. Let me get some zoomage. Wow, I'm completely intimidated now. Holy crap. Holy crap. I didn't know there was this much stuff in it. Wow. Well, my battery's gonna die any second. These are your shift forks. I know they say a lot of these plastic sliders can break off. This plastic thing here can break off, but mine doesn't look like it's broken. Oh yeah, I think it is on that side over there. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know. Quality of the gears or blah, 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 blah. Oh my God. That can't be that loose. That's gotta be, I mean, this thing's just falling apart. Look at all these things. I don't even know what half this shit is. Oh, it came off. All right, so now I need to put this in my jig, and then I think this stuff, I think we get the shift fork, and then it allows all these to come out, and it'll mount in my jig. Look at this. That's horrible. I think that bearing is shot. All right, I don't know what else we can do here. It's Arizona, it's like 110 out, and I think I've just about had it. I'm just glancing at some of the teeth on these gears, and believe it or not, they look pretty good. What does that mean? Hell, I don't know. But I think they look good. Man, some of these are sharp on the edge. All right. That's it for today. I think that's going to be it for today. It's too hot. So the next time you'll see me lift all this stuff out and we'll be putting it on the bench. All right, take care. Bye.